Alright, so we're sitting right here in the middle of the freeway. Well, not in the middle, but on the side. We almost died away. We're gonna go pick up a car. I'm telling Amador, it might be a sign not to get it, you know?
I say get it.
We're not gonna have a tire away. I mean, fuck, unless we go home. I have tires at the house.
Go home, yeah.
We can just put another tire on the wheel and then come back again, pero I don't know, what do you guys think, broskis? It's a badass car. Got the cash right here y todo. But I don't know, man. We'll see right now. I think I put a post on Instagram and somebody's gonna come right now. She got all fucked up.
Like new. Merry Christmas, bro. Thank you, bro.
Alright, broskis, we made it to the location. We're gonna check out the car and then we'll see what happens. Should we bring the camera or not?
I don't know, fool.
I think let's go check it out first, and then if whatever happens, then we'll show you guys. But
Sopa news?
Yeah, Sopa news. We'll give you guys all the Sopa after. So wish us luck. Alright, broskis, it is official. I'm getting a new car. Ya se armó. No regrets?
No regrets, fool.
You think the broskis are gonna like it, way?
Yeah, they'll like it, fool. 1 year later from SpongeBob, fool. I can't fit it in here, so I gotta focus.
No, wait, just send it to him because I changed the card number, so I gotta re-upload it. Re-update it.
Can you hold it? Yeah, that's why my fucking my Zelle don't register because I don't have my. Oh, they should register. I'll request it right now.
Mira nomás. New whip, who this? She's coming home with daddy. What do you guys think, broskis, of the new car? CLC. Do you guys picture me in a Camry?
No, they said this is.
Vamos a ver qué pedo. First start for the broskis. Oh shit.
Sounds recording?
Can you move the steering wheel, please, for me? Because I'm holding the camera. There you go. Yee, we got AC. Mira nomás.
Ya te mandé el request, but she let you.
Yeah. Let's put it in the truck. Dámelo, pues.
That's how you were fine. Like that, now just go straight. To the right, right. There you go, right there. Bam, right there. Oh, hold on. Hey, so what's up? We gonna let me have an exhaust or what? One of them, dog.
Hey, wait, what did I tell you last time? Everything's for sale, bro.
Hey, you gonna let me get a finder's fee or what, fool?
What?
A finder's fee.
Oh, the wheels? Oh, shit. Gonna teach Daniel's son how to drive a Chaser, bro.
Dame un exhaust, güey. Dame este, güey. O préstamelo, güey. Te lo presto, ya ves cuando lo vendas te lo doy para atrás, güey. Keep filming, ¿sí, verdad? ¿Te sigo dando? ¿O quieres que te ayude, güey?
No, tú dale. Ey, que nos dé la pinche luz, güey. No te va a olvidar. Everything, broskis. Drop a fucking fat ass like, cause I spent all my savings right here.
Oh my God.
All my savings. Is that a tomato dog?
Is that a tomato?
Is that a tomato dog?
Con este no pierdes, güey.
¿Neta?
Nah. Hell no.
Right, güey. Te voy a hacer caso, güey.
Nah, shh. Si quieres, ustedes lo vendemos, güey. Pues la verdad, I'd rather see you with it, fool.
Te voy a hacer caso, güey.
A todos que no lo venda, güey. No lo venda. Keep it, fool. Ya como en 5 o 10 años lo
Hey,
puedes
wait, it's
vender.
all on the broskis, way. If they want to watch this shit, way, like, I'll keep it, way. Pero if the views are not getting over 1,000, pues qué pedo, way. Así, hágame sale, güey. Tienen que poner las pilas, güey, también.
Oh, it does have gold flake, fool.
Hey, broskis, ponse las pilas. You're sleeping on me, bros. Share the video con tus abuelitas.
Ese es TJ Juan, fool.
TJ, güey. Soy pinche Philly LZ, güey.
There you go, fool. Finally LZ.
Just kidding. Just a pinche. Just a paisa, güey. Just pinche compita, you know, trying to hang with the big boys. You know?
No más.
No más, güey. Could have bought a house, güey, already, pero que andamos valiendo verga. Comprando yonkes. Comprando Camrys, güey, de pinches abuelitas.
Hey,
Hey, my grandma would have been proud, güey.
she been proud, fool.
Nah, but to be honest, way, I think I am gonna keep it away. I like it. It's growing on me, little by little, way.
I love it.
All the homies that I know with Chasers, way, they don't even slide them, way. So I gotta.
I try, fool. I daily, my shit's like my only car, so my M5's down right now, so I can't fuck with it, because if I fuck with it, I stay with no car, but yeah.
Yeah, and I wish I could help them, but it's a weird feeling driving on the right side, so it's like I can't tell Amador like, oh, fucking do this, do that. And I don't want to drive his
Tú
shit.
nomás dale,
Fuck
¿verdad?
it, yeah. I just tell him, tú nomás dale, way. Pero now that I have one, way,
Yeah.
just give me like 2-3 track days, and then I'll tell you what to do.
Ahí está.
Ahí está, güey.
But let me get the Chinese e-brake, fool.
The Chinese e-brake. That's just funny as fuck, güey. No mames. Esa madre parece que se la ganó una maquinita, güey. Una maquinita de Japan, güey.
No, that's the best part of Japan, bro.
Yo, I just thought about it.
What's up?
Why didn't we change? I didn't know you had this.
What, the
Why
trailer?
didn't- Yeah, I just saw
What you
your
got?
truck. No, I'm saying for the wheels.
What do you mean?
No, it wasn't gonna spin. We need spacers on the front.
You 323 if I'm 3232, dog.
Oh yeah, my dad lived up there.
I was like, dang, you still have
Oh, I was just trying to show you. Get out of the fucking box. I have the other one too. Just in case you decide to tap the other side.
Dude, fucking Jeff gave me extra taillights and headlights. Is that
Bro,
a thing?
I didn't buy anything for
It's
myself
because
for
he probably
Christmas.
smashed them before.
I didn't buy anything for myself for Christmas.
just bought that?
I know. Fuck yeah.
Fucking Merry Christmas, Philly. To yourself.
This is it right here. Yeah, so don't lose these right here.
Okay.
So that's for, I got big brakes, like the Supra brakes, for the front, and you got to use these to put them on.
Oh, okay.
Other than that, that's pretty much everything.
Vamos a Daniel San, güey. Pinche Daniel San, you got Harley, güey.
You got Harley, bro. You gotta fix that shit, Daniel. Nah, he don't fix it no more. He don't do that shit no more. Fatty J.
Fatty J now?
Fatty J will help you out.
It's gone.
You
It's
have
the
fun.
last part of my car life. This is it.
You want me to take a picture with it?
Man, it's gonna be so bad.
I don't think I'd sell mine.
Nah.
I think mine. I'm gonna hand it off to my kid, so he can sell it or do whatever the fuck.
That's what I planned on doing, but my little girl's into bikes too. Though.
Oh, all right.
So like she got a bike in there, a fucking dirt bike. Let me know, man, when you guys make it home safe.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks for coming through. Sorry.
You hit me
I
up.
was late and
Hit
shit.
me up for the wheels, bro, and then I'll arrange it with this fool, and then
Yeah.
Or hit
We'll
me
see
up.
you.
Get my Instagram.
Philly
Yeah,
drips. I mean, he tows too, so he could be out here one day and.
Yeah, if you're ever out here one day.
Just this way. we weren't even talking about this shit. Desde cuando, güey? Since last night, huh? We're like, hey, fool, let's buy a car. I'm like, alright, fucker, let's go. This shit was not in the plans, güey. Hey, güey.
So, para la gente que habla español, lo queríamos comprar para
Para comprarlo y venderlo.
venderlo, pero since I got mine, this fool's always said, oh, I want one. Let me fix this. This fool's always like, oh, I want one. He's always wanted a right-hand drive. And this is like the perfect. We're not gonna tell you how much we got it for, but it's like, it's perfect, bro, for him to keep. You know what I mean? And fuck around with it. And it's gonna hold value.
Yeah, because basically, when I buy it, because I buy and sell a lot of cars, but when I buy and sell cars, I try to get them as stock as possible because those are the ones that sell out faster. Because people that are coming up, like kids way, like they want to get like, well, the people that know, you know, they want to get stockish cars and then build them the way they want. So this car is basically like a drift car ready. So it's gonna take a lot way to get it ready to the point where I'll feel comfortable selling it, you know, for whatever amount, you know. So this was already convincing me like, wait, this is the perfect car for you. It's a fucking yonke, way, you know. So I'm like, yeah, maybe you're right. So at this point, I'm like, I'm thinking of keeping it and making it a drift car. So, well, obviously, if you guys fucking like the car and shit, you guys gotta like the videos all the time, you know. You guys gotta help me out too, because I paid a lot for this car, you know, and I'm not making a lot of money yet on YouTube to be spending this type of money, you know. I've always spent money, you know, like this truck, I paid a lot for it, but it's like shit that's gonna give me money, you know. Like I'm willing to spend money on shit that's gonna give me money, but if I'm gonna invest in the channel, like.
Pero si lo vas a vender, güey, finder's fee, fool.
Shit. Hey, ya te la pelaste, güey. You should have got it from that.
Nah, keep it. I say keep it.
Nah, yeah, but yeah, this was telling me like I've been wanting one for a while, but like I'd rather, you know, buy and sell cars, you know, and keep making money to keep drifting, you know, keep building my car, like building the 240. But I don't know, fuck it, wait.
I convinced him, fool.
Pues fuck it, you know. Just don't let me down, broski. Like, share my videos, you know. Like, I don't really ask you guys a lot, pero
Share my shit, huh?
share my shit, please. But yeah, nah, but I mean, we're gonna try, you know, to get some better videos out there for you guys.
There you go, all of us in Chasers, fool.
Chaser.
Yo también voy a aprender, güey, voy a aprender.
Keep telling you, way. Just start vlogging, way.
I don't think vlogging is my style.
Me neither, way, but like.
I think my videos is moving more towards like, a lo que si sale el vlogging, que salga, pero more towards like the cinematic.
Yeah.
I mean, you can still rack views either way you go, fool. Like 4K videos, fool. Like if you see like videos like cars, they have like 500,000 views, fool. And it's just like a stock RX-7 cruising and shit.
Gotta be consistent. You
Yeah.
be on it. I don't even know if I'm going the right way. But yeah, broskies, that's the plan, I guess, for right now. Let's just keep it, you know. So, a ver cómo me va, you know.
¿Y la troquita?
That's why I don't really want to keep it, way, because I'm like, this is gonna distract me. But nah, way, honestly, nah, I don't.
No, I don't think you'll lose. You're not gonna on this one. You're not gonna lose. So like, if you ever like need money, I guess you can sell it and get what you made out of it.
Yeah.
But I think it's like.
But yeah, this is a good car. Wait, honestly, the way I see it is a good car to replace the Z. You know.
There you go.
Yeah, the Z was there for me, you know. So.
Ya que, güey.
ni pedo, güey, move on, you know?
What's your girl gonna say?
Mi girl?
Uh-huh.
Se me hace que me voy a divorciar, güey, pero no le hace, güey. We're gonna have more money. I'm just kidding, babe. I love you. Nah, güey, my girl supports me, güey, 100%, güey. Like, she'll never, like, when I'm not buying cars, she'll be like, oh, you're not gonna check, you know, for cars. Like she's there, güey. So,
Oh, mira que me habla a mí, güey.
Ingues, ¿dónde andas, cabrón?
¿Dónde andas? Hello? What's up, babe?
Well, my girl's really supportive.
Huh? You gonna cut all these fools or what?
I'm gonna try to cut off this Honda, güey, a ver si la separo, güey. Hell yeah. Honda gang.
The gang, homie.
The little homie with the Honda, he's like, oh, probably got his grandma's Camry. The grandma Camry, güey.
Yeah, better.
Chillón, qué culero. Está bien feo esa madre, güey. Well, fuck it, güey. We're gonna make it pretty, güey. Ya sabes, güey. That's how we roll. Black and gold?
Black and gold.
Oh.
Fool, you're already doing the other one gray, fool.
Yeah, the other one's gonna be charcoal gray.
Black and gold, the Chasers.
Black and gold, the Chasers.
Los Angeles, fool.